Hi everyone, my name is Emily O'Connor. I'm one of the school counselors here at the Lewisburg Area High School. Um, I'm excited to have you a part of our non-traditional Zoom, and the fact that we are unfortunately unable to do the live Zoom that we had hoped to do due to some of our privacy settings that we didn't have, we weren't able to set up at that time. I am, again, as I said, Emily O'Connor, one of the school counselors. Mrs. Vicki Fennell is the other school counselor working in the LASD eSchool program. We'll continue to work with you and your student as we navigate the next steps for your student in the LASD eSchool program. As of now, your student should have received their login credentials, as well as a parent guardian, you would have also received login credentials for the LASD eSchool program to monitor your student, similar to a Power School program. Moving forward, we are excited to announce we are starting to enroll your students in courses. We are aligning them with the schedule that was sent home in the mail. So if you now receive a paper copy of your student schedule, please let us know. Maybe you lost it, you didn't receive it, please let us know, and we're happy to get you that information as soon as possible. Please know that we are aligning our student schedules with in-building schedules. So as of now, we are following a semester schedule, and all of our students will be taking courses that our in-building students will also be taking as well, so that if should your eSchool student status change, that you will be aligned with what the in-building students are doing as well. So as of now, as I mentioned, we're enrolling students in the program. We are enrolling them in courses. We will be in touch with you in the near future about any materials that your student may need to have associated with their program, whether that's books for APs. Ninth graders will need laptops. So we'll be in touch with you about those procedures via email. Any information in the near future that will be coming out, we'll do our best to get you that information, and we'll be doing so via email. So if you're not receiving emails from us, please let us know, and we can adjust your emails in the system. So I'm going to go ahead and just share my screen for a minute to show you how to log into our program if you haven't done so already. I would ask that if your student hasn't done so, that we would ask that you would get into the program to make sure that your login credentials are working well and you have a familiarity with the program. We are internet-based, so as long as you have access to the internet, you have access to your courses. So you would enter www.lasd.us. Under the academics tab is the LASD eSchool tab. Under all these fantastic eSchool agreements that you signed for us, thank you so much again for doing that. You will find a great getting started video about the dashboard. So I'm gonna go ahead and click here.
This video will show you how
There
to
it
get
is. So I would encourage your student, maybe you would like to get in and look at this. It is a great overview of student courses. This is what the dashboard would look like with populated courses. And it's just helpful to kind of get in and navigate the system. Now that we are enrolling students in courses, your student's official start date would be September 8th, which is next Tuesday. Tuesday, September 8th. It is a Friday, but I don't know when you're watching this, so I don't want to say next Tuesday if that's not right. So Tuesday, September 8th. Your student may get in, you may look at the courses. We would ask that they would officially start working on them as of the start date, whether that's September 9th or September 10th. Ninth graders being the 9th, 10th through 12th graders would be the 10th. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen again. Some students are having questions about the bell schedules if they are coming into the building. Our LASD eSchool students are taking all of our courses online unless they are in one of our ensembles, whether that be band, orchestra, or choir. So I'm going to go ahead and share here so you can see our schedule here, so that should you be coming into the building, you would know what those times look like. The first couple of days are going to look different, obviously, than our consistent schedule, which will be that middle one there. The first day of school is for ninth graders again, September 9th, 10th through 12th, September 10th. We are running an extended flex that day. So students will be in their advisory classrooms for an extended period of time to receive some procedures and protocols associated with COVID and other things, new things that we're doing in the building to work within the new the new norm that we have. So with that being said, we would want you to follow this schedule. We will follow up with an email so you do have this information. If your student has band, orchestra, or chamber choir on their schedule, you would want to follow the schedule accordingly. The middle one is the everyday consistent schedule. Please be reminded that students in building are following a semester schedule, the same classes every day. So we just want to call attention to that. And then Wednesday, the half-day bell schedule is also listed there. And the courses are a little, you will find that the periods are a bit shortened due to our early dismissal. Okay, so as of now, moving forward, we'll continue to be in touch with you via email. We will be sending out important information as well as updates. As of now, we have scheduled a laptop pickup for freshmen for Tuesday, September 8th. And we are hoping to have our link leaders here. Our eSchool students will also be associated with our link crew program, and we'll have leaders associated with the eSchool program. And we'll be working with our ninth grade students to help in their transition to high school, as well as, help talk about what's going on in eSchool and connect our students as we feel that's really essential moving forward. So the laptop pickups are going to be September 8th at 9:30 to 10:30 and 1 to 2 p.m. If you can't make any of those times to pick up your laptop, that's okay. Just be in touch with the office and we will do our best to track down your laptop to make sure that you have that for start of classes for the next day, September 9th. Moving forward, I do just want to thank you all again for your patience and communication via email as we navigate the next steps. We are dealing with large numbers, so I'm just asking as we move forward, you give us 24 hours for a response in email. We are going to be following up with some help desks, some tech tickets, things that would help you and your student if there's any concerns that are happening and we can't be accessed as quickly as you would hope we would be. We'll do our best to help you as you navigate moving forward. But we are school counselors. As I mentioned, we do lots of things in building and we'll do our best to help whatever might be the concern you have or question, but please do ask that we have about a 24-hour turnaround period as the program also asks you for that. So if you were to put it in a tech ticket or something like that, the program is asking you to give them 24 hours to answer your questions or concerns. Moving forward, we'll be sending out a Google form for you to put any questions you might have that maybe weren't answered in this Zoom today. Thank you again so much for all your patience and continued communication. And we will do our best to work together on this. And I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.